We all love a clean house. There's nothing quite like the feeling of walking into a spotless living room, knowing that everything is in its place and shining. But keeping our home sparkling clean can get expensive. The cost of cleaning supplies can really add up, especially if you're buying specialized products for every surface. Why not save some money with a simple cleaning hack? Imagine cutting down your cleaning budget while still maintaining a pristine home. You might be surprised to learn that laundry detergent can be used to clean more than just your clothes. This versatile product can tackle multiple cleaning tasks around your home. It's a powerful and cost-effective way to clean your toilet too. Just a small amount of laundry detergent can leave your toilet bowl sparkling clean. Yes, you read that right. This common household item can double as a toilet cleaner, saving you money and reducing the need for harsh chemicals. Your laundry detergent can make your toilet sparkle. It's an easy and effective solution that you probably already have in your home. This surprising hack will have you wondering why you ever spent money on expensive toilet cleaners. You'll be amazed at how well it works. In this article, we'll explore the secret cleaning power of laundry detergent. You'll discover new ways to use this everyday product to keep your home clean. Get ready to be amazed by its effectiveness and affordability. This simple hack can transform your cleaning routine. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a sparkling clean toilet. Embrace this cost-effective and eco-friendly cleaning solution today. Laundry detergent is formulated to lift dirt and grime from your clothes, but these same cleaning properties work wonders on toilet stains too. Detergents contain surfactants, which break down dirt and grime. Think of them as tiny cleaning warriors attacking those stubborn stains. Water softeners are another powerful ingredient found in laundry detergent. These clever components help to remove limescale and those unsightly urine stains that can accumulate in the toilet bowl. Together, surfactants and water softeners create a powerful cleaning combination. They leave your toilet bowl looking and smelling fresh. Ready to give this surprising hack a try? Cleaning your toilet with laundry detergent is not only effective but also a great way to use a common household item in a new way. Here's a step-by-step guide to cleaning your toilet with laundry detergent. It's simple, efficient, and leaves your toilet sparkling clean. First, start by giving your toilet a quick flush. This initial step is crucial as it helps to wet the sides of the bowl. This will help to wet the sides of the bowl and prepare it for cleaning. A wet surface allows the detergent to spread more evenly. Next, pour half a cup of your regular laundry detergent into the toilet bowl. You can use any brand or type you have on hand. Make sure to distribute it evenly around the bowl, paying extra attention to any stained areas. The detergent will start to break down the grime. Now let the detergent work its magic. This is where the cleaning power of the detergent really comes into play. Allow it to sit in the bowl for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This waiting period is essential for the detergent to break down tough stains. This will give the surfactants and water softeners enough time to break down those stubborn stains and limescale. You'll be amazed at how effective it is. After the detergent has sat for a while, grab your toilet brush and give the bowl a good scrub. This will help to remove any remaining residue. Pay attention to the areas under the rim and around the edges where grime tends to accumulate. These spots often need extra scrubbing. Once you're done scrubbing, flush the toilet to reveal a sparkling clean bowl. Your toilet will look and smell fresh, all thanks to a simple household detergent. Using laundry detergent to clean your toilet offers several benefits. It's a versatile product that can be used in more ways than you might think. First, it's an effective cleaner that can tackle even the toughest stains. Those stubborn marks don't stand a chance against the powerful cleaning agents in laundry detergent. Second, laundry detergent has antibacterial properties. This means it not only cleans but also sanitizes, making your bathroom a healthier place. This helps to kill germs and keep your bathroom more hygienic. A clean bathroom is essential for a healthy home environment. Third, many laundry detergents contain bleaching agents. These agents are excellent for whitening and brightening surfaces. These can help to whiten your toilet bowl and remove those unsightly stains. Your toilet will look as good as new. And let's not forget the biggest benefit of all, cost savings. Why spend more when you can get the same results for less? Laundry detergent is much cheaper than most specialty toilet cleaners. This makes it a budget-friendly option for households. Plus, you likely already have some in your laundry room. No need for an extra trip to the store. So, ditch the expensive cleaners and embrace this simple yet effective cleaning hack. It's a win-win for your home and your wallet. Your wallet and your toilet will thank you. Enjoy a sparkling clean bathroom without breaking the bank.